In this video, I will show you how to unlock lock chat on WhatsApp without having the secret code. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, if for any reason you forgot your secret code or you simply don't just remember it at the moment and you want to reset that secret code, in order for you to do that, it's quite easy. All you have to do is just click on this three dot icon on your WhatsApp, click on settings, click privacy, and then scroll down. You're going to see chat lock. So click on that. Once you get to, you're going to see unlock and clear lock chat. So click on it and then confirm by clicking unlock and clear. So once you get here, it's going to ask you for your fingerprint or your password. So once you input that in here, it's going to reset your WhatsApp lock chat, and also it's going to reset the secret code that is using. So now when anybody that is actually logged in that section are messaging you, the message is going to show in your inbox, no longer that lock section. So this is the correct way for you to actually reset your secret code in 2025 and also in the future. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.